Installation. The bumper will protect your pad from damage, but let's do it right and keep it safe. Start by pushing the cable connectors through the slot along the curved edge. Insert the pen cable in the center of the curve. Insert the USB cable to the right of that. Now, connect the cables to the pad. Insert the pen connector, arrow side up, until it clicks. Insert the pad into the bumper, working the back edge in first. Then insert each of the two front corners. You don't have to push too hard. Instead, work the front corners of the bumper, one at a time, over the pad. Your bumper will last longer if you don't force it. Once the pad is securely in the bumper, it is ready for action. The Compact LCD Bumper, a new standard in signature pad protection, keeping it safe.